In this video, we're going to show you how to attach the beryllium ribbon cable to the pendulum on the gravitational torsion balance. So to start, let's lock the pendulum in place, just so we have a reference point for the hole. Now you'll notice the PCB board for the ribbon is pointed this way. It's not parallel with the pendulum, so we need to adjust that using the knob at the top of the apparatus. And you can see it's slowly starting to rotate where it needs to be. So right now the beryllium ribbon has no tension in it or twist in it. Now we can actually connect the pendulum to it. Just might need to slide some things over. All right. Now we can take our screw and tighten the screw in there. All right. Now, once it's in there, release these. The pendulum will hang freely. And we need to tighten this screw. And now we'll need to adjust the height just a little bit um, so that the bottom of the pendulum is at the top of that hole. We do that by loosening the screw at the top. Go. And then next we need to adjust the centering. Actually, before we move that, it's actually a really good idea to lock the pendulum in place so it doesn't break. So now we can use this viewing hole right down here to look at the centering. Loosen the pendulum clamps. And we start adjusting these knobs to center it. Almost centered. Actually, I need to lower the pendulum just a little bit more. There we go. Right, and that's just about centered. After this, you can put your case back on. And continue with your experiment.